In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share folder access in Dropbox. If you're collaborating on projects or simply need to share files with colleagues, friends, or family, understanding how to efficiently use Dropbox's sharing features is incredibly useful. Follow along as we walk through the process step by step, ensuring you can share your folders with ease and confidence. First things first, you'll need to sign into your Dropbox account. This is where it all begins. Head over to Dropbox's website and log in using your credentials. If you've set up two-factor authentication for added security, make sure to complete that step as well before proceeding. Once you're logged in, the next thing to do is navigate to the folder you wish to share. On the Dropbox dashboard, you'll notice a sidebar on the left. Click on Files to access all your stored folders and documents. Take your time to locate the specific folder you want to share. With a clear overview provided by Dropbox's interface, finding your folder should be straightforward. Now that you've found your folder, sharing it is just a matter of a couple of clicks. Right-click on the folder you intend to share, and from the context menu that appears, choose Share. This brings up a dialog box where you can manage sharing settings and invite others to access your folder. There are two primary sharing options available to you. You can invite someone directly by email. In the provided field, enter the email address of the individual you're sharing the folder with. It's important to choose the appropriate level of permissions for their access. You can decide whether they can only view the folder or if they should have the ability to edit and add files as well. Click Share once you've made your selections. Optionally, if you'd prefer to share via a link, you can do that too. Simply click on Create a Link, and once generated, you'll have the option to copy this link. This link can be shared through a message, email, or any other platform you choose. It's a flexible option, particularly when you want to broadcast access to multiple people without sending individual invites. For those looking to maintain control over who has access and to what extent, Dropbox offers access control settings. You can click on Sharing Settings to fine-tune access, determining who can view or edit your folder and if people are allowed to reshare it. Finally, rest assured that once you've set everything up, Dropbox takes care of the notifications for you. An email will be sent to the person or people you've invited, detailing their access rights, ensuring they can easily find the folder and start collaborating or viewing at their convenience. That's all it takes to share a folder in Dropbox. You've now provided access to others in a secure and efficient manner, making collaboration much easier. Let me know if you need any further assistance.